fix my tie. Chainsawman, episode 12.
Yeah, I tried not to do the dual ASMR this time. But yeah, we just got finished watching episode 11. Aki got grabbed by the neck. He said she had a weird kink, and I think that she's about to get ambushed. It's a nice episode last time, but this episode's called Katana vs. Chainsaw, so it's like we thought in the first place. And kind of want to jump in and watch it, so let's do this. It sees through fear, and that eyes were sealed shut. I was like, was this? Woo!
Oh, her crazy ass.
How the fuck she got this so goddamn fast?
See, I'd be just like them. Have the suit on, but have some like white shoes.
I was trying to say, I was just like, if that was Ghost, not Snake in this case, and she combined with it or something when it took her whole body or something. I have no idea.
Just kill her.
Bonuses are coming up, so sorry I gotta end you for some pay. What the fuck?
You gonna leave the hand? Oh, ew! It's rotten!
No, it's not.
Meat is meat. This is what she said.
Oh, hell no. That is the last thing you want to see coming out of a fucking
this
elevator.
Resident Evil ass shit.
Exactly. Shit, even Resident Evil didn't have that many in one goddamn hallway. She gonna do it anyway. Nigga, why would I?
Oh, so he didn't know.
I think that's playing to a pretty mute point there.
Wait, he's getting me excited. Titties, man. Fuck you mean?
I'm sure he'll get more of the, you know, motivation there. It's funny because it's CG, but it's actually this looks nice.
Yeah,
like
it does. It looks beautiful.
Not to say I might be one of those people who hate on it. Ooh, the angle,
You see
bro.
it?
That's what I'm talking about.
Bro, this is how it needs to be. He's on the offense this time too.
Yeah, he's doing a lot better than he did the last time they fought.
So like, no one on the train hears that?
They probably do. What the fuck you gonna do about it?
Jump off the goddamn train.
Jump off.
It's like, nah.
What they gonna do? Kill you? So you gonna kill yourself?
I mean, now you need to jump off the goddamn train.
You can run into a different cart. Now I'll jump off because it stops. Oh well, never mind.
Damn.
I'm glad they gave him like a rival that's like somewhat similar right now. Lady, you better get the fuck out of here.
My thing is, how long were you falling over? Damn. Exactly. Yo, this is so good.
Ooh.
Oh. How's he gonna get out of this? Oh. He bit him so he can get more blood.
Oh! God
Damn!
Yo, that was smart as fuck.
It's so cool. Drink his blood though.
That was.
He got healed. Piss on him.
He's gonna do something fucked up. I was wondering, Hope was like, yo, who's stepping? Did our episode freeze or something? Because Denji wasn't moving. Now he really wouldn't win the fight. And in my opinion, he definitely needs one more.
Yeah. Oh.
I knew it.
This nigga's the best.
Oh, that's just.
Do it.
Yo, I hope he just gets up, runs, and does the shit. Damn. It's split screen.
At least it was probably see his face afterwards.
But I was trying to say, I was like, remember, more than one can be contracted to the same one.
Yeah.
So maybe she pulled out the exact same one.
Yeah.
That when it took Oliver, she became it. Which is why she gave him the cigarette.
Damn.
At least that's what I got from it.
The thing is, he didn't fear it anymore either, which is why I couldn't find him.
That's true.
Because remember, they said the ghost devil doesn't have eyes and only sees through fear. Oh, we saw it! You got what you wanted! But why did it make a metal sound? Why is it making a metal sound?
I fucking love this show.
That's taking balls of steel, like, seriously.
Want some Hunter x Hunter shit.
Exactly. But you see him smiling and stuff with
Denji
Denji, too.
Part with that. Yo, yeah, right? You don't see him smile much, so that was nice.
Yeah.
Dude's voice is deep as shit.
Hell yeah. Oh! Jesus! What the fuck was that?
I feel so bad for her at this point.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Where the fuck is this gun devil at?
Play 20 minutes and 26 seconds now. There you go.
I was about to say, I don't feel like sitting there for that whole thing.
Like I said, we'll watch the outro separately in a different video anyway. Fucking drunk, passed out.
Huh.
Or I guess they can't drink, so depends. I heard that.
I was hoping you didn't. I guess smoke one out for the homie.
The one that she said that he told her he would smoke when he's legal, I guess.
She was a predator.
Listen, I've told you about the same thing we just talked about in Bleach. Stop it. Top of that, she didn't know he was under 18, and when she found out, she backed off.
Oh, there's so many things I could say in response to that. Come on, and you know.
Here comes that addiction. But then again, he's already smoking cigarettes.
I was gonna say, he's been addicted. Like my dad.
Okay.
It's like that.
Ain't no psych now.
It's not.
Now everybody watching feels awkward.
This is a serious discussion.
about to say, I'm like, yo, they gonna show us something in this, or they just show us everybody sleeping? I mean, I appreciate it regardless, but it's weird.
Can we see the little chainsaw dog again?
I think he's having a dream right now. It's probably a dream from Pochita? Pochi? I'm just calling Pochi, yeah. In the first place. Actually, now that I think about it, I think this is how the show started.
Shit, I couldn't remember. Do we get to see Doggy?
Sounds like it. Yeah.
Chop.
Yeah, why not?
There's a crazier power inside.
Maybe.
Let's get the shit out of me. Yo, who got the white shoes now? New waifu? New waifu?
Maybe.
Or is it sister?
Between the country mouse and the city mouse, which one would you rather be? It's kind of wild just in general. Who knows him like that? Because that clearly wasn't Kobeni, because her hair is brown.
Yeah, I was gonna say, and she always sounds scared and stuff. She's never calm.
And on top of that, somehow she knew Denji already? I don't know. Who knows? That was a great ending to the season.
Yeah.
And the thing is, Mappa's already been pretty nice in the animation, but there were parts through the season and stuff like, let's say you see him running, where it's like, you can clearly tell it's like,
but it's like,
of course they could have done a little bit better, but to me personally, I was like,
that didn't bother me in the slightest.
Yeah. But I noticed that they didn't have any of those scenes in this at all either. They really like went all out for the
And they
finale.
showed the win.
Yeah, they did pretty much everything you could do. But it also goes to show how much of a better fighter he would have been if he wasn't just mindlessly just attacking everything.
Yeah, because the thing is, he planned that the whole time. Yeah. You know, he kept doing the slice thing, and then he was just like, all right, just come after my head.
And then he knew,
he bait.
Don't listen to a hunter doesn't listen to anything a beast says. That's pretty nice knowledge, actually.
Exactly, that's something you should learn.
And I do think Aki should get more than one devil in the first place, though, because the fact that he wasn't strong enough to fight the other one. I don't think he can still use the other one. I think the other one died or something, or maybe it just won't come back out, is what it was, or something like that. The fox or whatever.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, well, what happened to that?
Remember, it tried to eat Katana and the other thing, and it was just like, yeah, so this whatever this is not human, and then it just fucking exploded, I think, or something like that. Or the snake girl.
I think he'll get more.
Yeah, he could be pretty strong based on that, but. Like he said, the future one said however he dies has got to be fucking gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
So, willing to bet he probably dies at the very end of the show. That's gonna be some sad shit. But overall, I'd say this was a great season. I remember hearing people talk about this in the manga, and it was like, yo, Chainsaw Man's coming, Chainsaw Man. I'm just like, that sounds fucking stupid, but I'm sure somebody's gonna make it great.
Oh yeah. Guaranteed.
And they made it amazing.
All I imagine was some lumberjack guy just chopping down trees or some shit.
I don't put anything past Japan.
Come on, y'all did vending machines.
Exactly. They have somebody pull up a chainsaw and be the most badass character in anime. They could do it. Guaranteed. But I guess we'll stop there, We got some more shows coming. Like I've been saying in the last couple ones, we got Clash from Elite Season 2, Demon Slayer in the spring, definitely, and some other shows and games. So leave a comment, tell us how you like the season, don't spoil anything, and we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you spoil something, I'm coming to your house and slapping the shit out of you. I'm not gonna do that. I'm afraid of confrontation.